Hello everybody, Swami here. Today I'm going to tell you roles and responsibilities of a SAP consultant. See, I'm not going to tell you the particular consultant like FICO consultant, what is the responsibility, roles and responsibility of a FICO consultant or a MM consultant or a basis consultant or a technical consultant. In a generalized format, I'm going to tell you what is the roles and responsibility of a consultant. First thing is his responsibility is gathering requirement. He'll be involved in kickstart meeting with the customer, with the business. So he'll be involved in organizing meeting with the customer. So existing application, he'll be gathering all the requirement. So if a company is implementing SAP, he is migrating from the older application to the newer SAP application. So the older application, in the older application, you will be having a requirement. So all those requirements needs to be gathered from the older application, and we have to configure it. We have to implement it in SAP system. And if there is any missing requirements, which enhances the profit of the business, then those requirements also needs to be gathered from the customer through kickstart meeting or through organizing meeting with the customers. So second thing is document preparation. So blueprinting. What is blueprinting? Blueprinting will be having screenshots of the application, SAP application, which will be having fields, which will be having database tables, entity relationship diagrams will be there. So who are all the end users will be involved, who are all the consultant who is going to configure it will be there in the blueprinting. So user document in the sense, like for example, sales order, delivery, billing. So sales order VA01 is the transaction code. All the transaction codes will be there, and the next processes will be there, like sales order, delivery, billing is a process. So those processes will be there in the user document. So end user training will be given to the end users by the consultant only. So end users training will be there, and test case document will be created by the consultant only. So for example, purchase order, for example, purchase order execution screen will be executed in the SAP system through test case document. In normal company, there won't be any testing team, but in a larger company, they will be having a testing team. So in a normal company, functional consultant will be doing the testing, will be creating the test case document, will be executing the test case document, and will be giving the sign off. But in a larger company, there will be separate testing team will be there. So, and the another responsibility of a consultant is enhancement. Whether screen needs to be enhanced or standard SAP screen will standard SAP screen itself is enough for their functionalities. If there is any new functionalities, there new screens will be created by the ABAP team using ABAP team. Data uploads will be done by the consultant only. So master data, transaction data. Master data, what are all the master data? Customer master, vendor master, material master, all those are all master data. So those master data will be uploaded to SAP through data upload, like batch data control, or through LSMW. So what is transaction records? Like sales order records, delivery records, billing records will be uploaded into system through LSMW or BDC, batch data conversion. Which will be batch data conversion will be done by ABAP team. So adhering to the process, this is system landscape. So consultant should be strictly adhering to the process. Like for example, if there is any new requirement coming into the then it needs to be executed in the sandbox. So the same will be replicated in the golden box, and it will be tested in the test in the test client, and it will be transported to the production system, live system. So these process will be strictly adhered by consultant. So consultant acts as a liaison between the SAP system and the customer. So if you want to know about project management in SAP, get in touch with Learn to Win. www.learnw.in is the website. And the number is 9940654379. Thank you.